long before the world knew his name. A child growing up in Ladakh quietly began questioning something million accepted without a second thought. The answer would change his life forever.
Leaving Ladakh changed more than his surroundings. Beyond the mountains was a world unlike anything he had known. And behind those college gates, a new journey was about to begin. But what he discovered inside would make him question the entire education system.
College gave him knowledge. The real world demanded solutions. That difference became impossible to ignore. And it sparked an idea that would shape everything that followed. His first experiment wouldn't begin in a classroom. Most people see failure as the end. He treated it like feedback. Every broken prototype answered one question and uncovered another. Then one winter, a problem everyone accepted inspired his boldest idea yet. At first, it looked impossible, a mountain of ice built on purpose. But when spring arrived, that frozen tower became something far more valuable than anyone expected. One idea solved a problem, but another challenge was waiting. He didn't just resign lessons. He reimagined what a school could be. Here, ideas were built, tested, improved, and sometimes complete rebuilt. Then the world began asking, where did this place come from? What began in one remote valley soon attracted curious minds from around the world. They didn't come to admire the mountains. They came to understand the ideas. Then an unexpected connection introduced his ideas to millions more. As his ideas gained attention, many people noticed similarities between his approach to learning and the character Funsuk Wangdu from Three Idiots. The connection sparked even greater curiosity. But fame was never the destination. As his voiced more people, so did the conversations around his ideas. What began with education had grown into a broader discussion about the future of Ladakh. But through every challenge, one mission never changed. His greatest achievement wasn't an invention. It was inspiring others to keep asking better questions and building better answers. And perhaps that's where every real change begins. Most universities prepare students for the world. He wanted to build one that learned directly from it. The result was unlike anything the Himalayas had ever seen. But building the campus was only half the challenge. His work was no longer limited to classrooms or innovation. As more people listened, his message grew into a national conversation. Then came a decision that surprised everyone. He was about to risking everything's voice.
As the days passed, the fast became more than a personal decision. It sparked conversation across the country about Ladakh, the environment, and the future people wanted to protect. And then, something completely unexpected happened.
What began as conversations among young people quickly grew a movement that captured national attention. Different voices joined the debate, united by one question about the future. But for him, this story was never about a movement. For him, recognition was never the goal. Every project, every idea, and every challenge pointed toward the same purpose, helping people build a stronger future for the Himalayas. And in the end, his greatest invention wasn't made of ice or stone. Just when it seemed the story had reached its turning point, one unexpected message opened in an entirely new chapter. And what happened next, no one could have predicted.
The discussion had grown far beyond one person. Across newsrooms, classrooms, and communities, more people were asking how development, education, and the environment could move forward together. In the end, every generation must decide what it wants to build next. It wasn't a speech that spread across the country. It was a single image that made millions stop and ask what had happened. No slogans, no banners. After decades of speaking through innovation, he chose a different language: silence. A peaceful fast drew attention to the future of Ladakh and the questions he believed could no longer wait. But as the days passed, something unexpected began to happen. What began as a peaceful fast was now impossible to ignore. Across the country, people followed the story, asking the same question: what happens next? And then, young people decided they wouldn't stay silent either. A movement with an unusual name quickly became part of a nationwide conversation. Supporters, critics, journalists, and curious pedants all began asking the same question: where would this lead next? But the outcome was still uncertain. The conversations had finally reached decision-makers. Whether people agreed or disagreed, one thing was undeniable. Questions that once seemed distant were now impossible to ignore. But for him, this was never about winning an argument. What started as a bold idea with an unforgettable name quickly became part of a nationwide conversation. Supporters, critics, students, and journalists all began asking the same question: what next? What would happen next? While the country debated, the fast continued. After weeks of growing public tension, conversation finally moved from the streets into formal discussions. What happened next would decide how this chapter came to an end. 26 days later, after 26 days, the fast came to an end. But the questions it raised continue to inspire conversations about education, sustainability, and the future of Ladakh. Every meaningful journey leaves behind more than achievements. It leaves behind ideas that encourage others to keep learning, building, and asking better questions.